Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make camera lock on object in a video on CapCut. So in this case I'm going to make the camera lock on this persons right here. So what you need to do on CapCut, just click on a clip and then at the bottom you'll find the new feature lock on. So click on that, but please note that this feature can only be used by the CapCut Pro user. So if you are on free CapCut, you can apply this this feature. So I'm going to just show you how you can adjust. You can choose the lock on, whether it face, body, hand, or other or you can just choose which one that you want to. So for example, I want to lock on the face part. So after that, just click on start and CapCut will be applying the lock on effect. You can just wait until the process is finished. So after it finished, now the lock is on. You can adjust it like the rotation, and also you can adjust the fit screen, also the subject size. But if you're not, you can just click on a check icon and then you can also clear the lock on. But here is the result for the when camera lock on an object like this. So it fixed on the face part in the video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there, and also remember to click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.